Namaste children, welcome to English class. And after long gap I am going to start that explanation of the 7th lesson. In our previous video we discussed about 7th lesson girls can't play cricket, and some part of the lesson was explained to you in my previous video. Now I am going to continue that explanation. Please look at your screen, all of you, till where I explained, and now I am going to start from where that I am going to show you now. Please look at your screen, all of you. This page was completely explained to you in my previous video. I explained this one in my previous video, and till here I explained. Okay, so then here first that Rajan and Sumit they were selecting their team members for cricket game, and they not selected those two girls, Preeti and Sudha. And those Sudha and Preeti, they argued with those boys. They want to join the cricket team, but boys rejected them and told that girls can't play cricket. Then they became angry and they were talking about that what had happened there, and they came back to their house. And when they were talking each other, that time Sudha's mother, she heard this. She heard the discussion of Preeti and Sudha, and she told that what had happened. She asked to them. Then they replied everything what had happened there in that ground. So Rajan and that Sumit, they not selected us for the cricket team. So then they told that girls can't play cricket, ma, like that. Then she told that Sudha's mother, she replied to Preeti and Sudha, you don't worry, ma. So now you can do, you practice well. You can make your own cricket team. All girls together, you can make your own cricket team, and you can challenge the boys to play a cricket match with you. You can challenge them. Yes, you yourself, you practice, you make your own team. After that, you can challenge them to play a cricket match with you. Like that she told. Then what happened? We can discuss from here now. But we don't have a cricket set, said Sudha. When her mother told that you can make your own cricket team and challenge the boys to play a match against you. Like that she told. And when she told like this, immediately Sudha she replied to her mother, Amma, what you are saying, it is correct, okay. We will challenge a match against the boys, okay. But we don't have cricket set, no. It means cricket set means what are all the things will be there in the cricket set? Bat, ball, stumps, bails, these are all the things will be there, no. So, but that cricket set is not there with us. How we can play a match against boys? Like this Sudha asked to her mother. Now what happened? And we don't know how to play cricket, said Preeti. Here Preeti also she said something here to Sudha's mother. Auntie, we don't know how to play the cricket. You were saying that you can challenge a match against boys. Yes, we are ready to challenge, but we don't know how to play the cricket. Like that she replied. Preeti replied or told to Sudha's mother. Now, don't worry about that, said Sudha's mother. I can teach you. I was the captain of the girls' cricket team at school. How would you like a cricket set for your birthday next week? Sudha. It means here, when the Preeti and Sudha, they asked like that, immediately Sudha's mother, she replied, you don't worry, ma, you don't know how to play the cricket. No, you don't worry. I know how to play the cricket. Just I will teach you how to play the cricket. Because I was the captain of a cricket team in my school level. It means when she was in the school, she was studying high school, that Sudha's mother, she was playing cricket. And also she was the captain of that girls cricket team that time, in the school level or at the school level. So that she told that one to that Sudha and Preeti, you don't worry, I will teach you how to play the cricket. And anyhow, Sudha, your birthday is next week, no? So your birthday is next week. For every birthday we are giving you gift. This time I will try to give that cricket set as a gift, birthday gift to you. So is it okay for you? Like that Sudha's mother, she asked to Sudha. Then Sudha replied, oh mummy, you are great, cried Sudha as she kissed her. It means she kissed her mother, and she told that, oh mummy, you are so great, because what we are expecting, that you are ready to give us. So definitely you are a great mother, like that she said, and she hugged her mother, that Sudha. Then what happened? Here you see, for the next 2 weeks, Sudha and Preeti practiced batting, bowling, and fielding. Three also very important to play the cricket: batting, bowling, and fielding. So, if those team members or players, if they are perfect in these three fields, then they can form a very good and strong cricket team. That is why these children, Preeti and Sudha and Sudha's mother, all these people. See here, these two, Preeti and Sudha, they practiced for 2 weeks here. How many weeks? They practiced for 2 weeks. What they practiced? How to bowl they practiced, and how to bat they practiced, and how to field they practiced. Bowling, batting, and fielding, all they practiced for 2 weeks. Then what happened next? Here you can see, Sudha's mother taught them all the techniques. She told that one, no, earlier. You don't worry, you don't know the cricket, no, or you don't know how to play the cricket, no, I will teach you, like that she said, no. She was in the field, cricket field or cricket ground itself, and she taught them all the techniques, how to bat, how to bowl, how to field, everything she taught them. And Preeti's mother also joined them. Now altogether how many they became? 4 members. Sudha and Sudha's mother, Preeti and Preeti's mother. All these 4, they all together they practiced in the playground. What they practiced? They practiced cricket game, and soon they became quite good at the game. Sudha was especially good at bowling. Means Sudha was a very good bowler. So they practiced for 2 weeks. All together, Sudha's mother, Sudha, Preeti's mother, Preeti, all 4 members, they practiced in the ground, and they became perfect in that cricket match now, or cricket game now. Now, here you can see, let's go to the playground and show the boys, said Sudha. It means now Sudha's mother said that, or Sudha said that, Amma, now we are all perfect. Oh, Preeti, Amma, and Preeti's mother, auntie, it means her auntie. So we are all perfect in games, no, in this cricket game. Now let us go to playground and challenge the boys. We can call them to play a match against us. Like that Sudha shouted here. The girls and their mother went to the playground and set up the stumps and bales. It means they came to the playground now, and they put the stumps erect, and after above the stumps they put the bales also. It means they prepared everything to play the cricket now. Soon the boys arrived. It means they came to the playground. They laughed when they saw the girls playing cricket. It means these were practicing in the ground already. They put the bales and stumps and they were playing. They were practicing here. Sudha and Sudha's mother and Preeti's mother, they were practicing. Now boys, they came to the playground and they saw that Sudha and Sudha's mother and Preeti's mother were playing in the ground. When they saw them, they were laughing at them. Say, these girls, how can they play cricket? See, these are playing cricket. Like that they were laughing. It means teasing. They were teasing those girls. Then what happened here? See, how about a match? Asked Sudha. She was there now, Sudha. These were laughing. Immediately she asked those boys, oh boys, what about a match? Are you ready to play the match? Like that she asked to them. And here that Sumit replied, don't be silly. Girls can't play cricket, said Sumit. It means Sumit said that, hey, funny girl. So you were you were calling us to play the cricket match against you. But girls can't play cricket, no. Don't be silly, my dear Sudha. So you can't play cricket. Just you can watch the game. Like that again he replied to that Sudha. Now here you see, why don't you play with us and find out? Said Sudha's mother. And Sudha's mother, she came to talk now. She told that, why don't you play with us now? So you can play cricket with us now. Why you are not playing against the girls? Like that she asked to those boys. And Sudha's mother, like this, she asked to the boys. Then here see, will you also play? Auntie asked Ajay. There was a boy called Ajay, one more boy in that boys cricket team. That Ajay asked to that Sudha's mother, Auntie, are you playing cricket? Will you also play cricket with us? You are also one of the member of that girls cricket team. It means, are you ready to play against the boys? Like that that Ajay asked to that Sudha's mother. Then Sudha's mother replied here, see, if you don't mind, said Sudha's mother. If you are not worrying about that, definitely I will play in that girls cricket team. Like that she replied. Otherwise, two girls against four boys wouldn't be fair. It means you are four members in your team, boys team. But here are only two. Who are those? Preeti and Sudha. And two girls against four boys, then it will not be equal. Teams will not be balanced. That is why what we are going to do now, we are myself and Preeti's mother, both we will join the girls cricket team. We will become four, and then you are also four. Now teams will be balanced. Then we can play a match. Like that, she told everything to those boys, and it is very good for us to play against the boys. No, we will become four members. If you are not worrying about that, definitely we will join the girls cricket team and we will play against you. Like that, she replied. Then here, the boys were a little surprised. For them, it is surprise because these are elders, no? Preeti's mother and Sudhar's mother. They were already elders. They are not children. So for that, when they said that we are also ready to play cricket, then these children were surprised. Boys were surprised. And all right, auntie, but please be careful. You are already old people, no? While playing, if you fell down, you will get injuries and all. So you take care of your physical fitness also, and you can play against us, auntie. Like that, those boys told. Now, we don't want you to get hurt, said Sumit. Sumit said like this here. Auntie, okay, you are ready to play cricket, no? Anyhow, you are here only, no, to play the cricket. Okay, you can play. You can play in that girls cricket team or in the team of girls. So, but be careful about your health and your physical fitness and all. If you fell down, we are not ready to hurt you, my dear auntie. So take care of your physical fitness and you can play. Like that, Sumit replied. Now the match started. Now they challenged a match, and now match has started. It has started now in between boys team and girls team. The boys won the toss. Before the cricket game, there will be toss. Who's supposed to bat first and who's supposed to bowl first. For that, there will be toss. They will take a coin or something and they will put it head or tail. They choose, and who will win the toss? They are choosing the batting or bowling. And now toss it has taken place. In that boys cricket team won the toss, and Sumit, the captain of that boys team, he was the person. He decided to bat first, and Sumit, he was the first batsman of that boys cricket team, and he came to play now. He was the first batsman, Sumit. Now he hit the very first ball for 4 runs. When he came to bat to the playground, even in the first ball itself, he hit the 4 runs. Okay, he hit the ball for 4 runs. It means 4 runs they got, that boys cricket team. Come on, Sudha. It means Sudha was bowling here. Okay, she was very good at bowling, no, Sudha. She was bowling here. In the first ball itself, that Sumit, he hit the 4 runs. When the boys team it got 4 runs, then these girls were shouting here, and Preeti's mother and Sudha's mother. Come on, Sudha, come on, you bowl your fast one. Next page it is coming there. See, bowl your fast ones, my dear Sudha. So you don't worry. They got 4 runs, so you don't worry. Just you bowl your fast one. It means fastly you bowl, then they cannot get the runs properly. Like that she replied. That Preeti replied, she shouted in the playground. Now you can see here, Sumit hit 2 more runs, but he was out on the next ball. Sumit, first he hits 4 runs, in the second ball he hits 2 runs, total 6 runs. He got 6 runs, and he scored 6 runs. Then in the next ball itself, he was clean bowled. He couldn't believe it. It means Sudha, she bowled very well. In the next ball itself, he was clean bowled. That Sumit was clean bowled. He scored how many runs? He scored 6 runs here. That Sumit scored 6 runs. You need to make note of these runs which were scored by those children, and later you can calculate them. Total, that boys team, how many runs it has scored. So that we have to count. Then after that, he was bowled, clean bowled. Now it was Rajan's turn next. It means now Sumit was out, then Rajan came to bat now. So what happened next onwards, we can see in our next video. Till this I am going to give you today. Okay. With this I am going to conclude my today's class. In my next class I will start my explanation from here. Then how Rajan he has batted in that. Okay, how he batted and how many runs he scored and all we can discuss in our next class. Take care children, keep on reading, keep on studying and keep on talking in English, and if you get any doubts please call me and ask about your doubts. Have a nice day.